award for designer jewelry over 5 lakh rupees goes to Emerald Jewel Industry.
Bracelets for women are the epitome of style and grace. No matter how they are worn, they offer a kind of timeless beauty that is hard to match. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see the award in the Best Bracelets category.
The award for the best bracelet design goes to Om Monica Kapoor.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at the nominees in the Best Necklace Design category.
The nominees are Om Monica Kapoor, Goenka Diamond and Jewels Limited, and Savio Jewelry.
The award for Best Necklace Design under Rs 500,000 goes to Goenka Diamond and Jewels Limited.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at some more astonishing designs in the category of Best Necklaces.
The nominees are Arham Jewels, Goenka Diamond and Jewels Limited, and Tribhuvandas Bhimji Zaveri Limited.
Best necklace design between 5 to 10 lakhs goes to Aram Jewels.
Necklaces are one of the most popular jewelry accessories for making a fashion statement. Graceful and elegant, the necklace looks spectacular no matter what you're wearing. Ladies and gentlemen, let's witness the next award in the Best Necklace category.
The nominees are Dreams Diamond Jewelry, KP Singhvi Jewels Private Limited, and Tribhuvandas Bhimji Zaveri Limited.
The award for Best Necklace Design over 10 lakh goes to KP Singhvi Jewels Private Limited.
Ladies and gentlemen, the charm and beauty of earrings is centuries old. The right pair of earrings always enhances the look of the wearer. I'm also truly enjoying wearing these lovely sparklers from BR Designs. Let's take a look now at the best in the earrings category.
The award for best earring design under 5 lakhs goes to Arshia Jewelers.
There is no doubt that a pair of earrings enhances the beauty and charm of a woman. Ladies and gentlemen, let us see the most appreciated earrings in this category.
It's the award for the best earring design over 500,000 rupees goes to my favorite Indus Jewelers.
Ladies and gentlemen, Let's unveil the best designs in the price point jewelry category.
And the award for the best price point under 25,000 goes to Jewel Goldeye.
Ladies and gentlemen, now showcasing the most stunning designs in the bridal jewelry category. Let's have a look.
The nominees are Cappuccino Collection, and Indus Jewelry.
The award for Best Bridal Design under rupees 10 lakhs goes to Cappuccino Collection.
Bridal jewelry not only uplifts the outfit, but also enhances the scintillating beauty of the bride. Concluding the show now with some of the most captivating designs, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at the finalists in our final award for the evening, the bridal jewelry segment.
The nominees are Deepthi Amisha, and Lakshmi Jewelry Export Private Limited.
The award for the best bridal design over 10 lakh goes to Deepthi Amisha.
Arpit, we're going to need you on stage a little longer. I know you have a little more work to do after all the hard work you put into putting this evening together. Thank you, Mr. Jain.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to seize this opportunity to first and foremost congratulate all of us for making this evening a grand success. To all the participants, I thank you for the zeal and enthusiasm with which you all participated. Each design, regardless of whether it won or not, stands as a fine example of creativity and craftsmanship. I congratulate all the winners and nominees. With the best of best designs competing with each other, winning was not an easy feat. I would like to thank you all for joining us in making the second IJ Awards a grand success, and I wish to see you all next year. Thank you.
Winning the award's always good, that makes you feel good, and I think so award is the platform where people knows about your creativity, and I want to present my creativity.
Everybody has worked very hard for it, and we really work hard for our designs. And it really means I'm really thankful to the workers who are really working for us, and they understand what we mean and what we want our design to come out with. These awards are really a good platform to the designers.
For jewelry industry, these are very, very important awards. By these awards, we can show to the entire industry, how our company stands. And this is definitely a reward for the entire efforts the company, the people have put in. So this is definitely a very, very high motivation.
It's actually not winning. It's actually, you get nominated different categories. There are more players, more new jewelers coming on. So you just need to work hard, that's it. I mean, you never know in which category you won, but definitely you need to work very hard.